Hello everyone, and today we will see Gusset command in SolidWorks. So, what is Gusset? Gusset is just a support plate that makes a welded joint stronger. You can see two types of gusset on the screen. The both are used to make welded joints stronger. Now I will switch to the SolidWorks and see how we can access Gusset command in SolidWorks. Now I will click on New, select Part File, and if you are not able to see the weldment tab here, just click on any of this tab, right click on it, go to tabs and make sure this command is activated. So I will go to weldments. So the gusset command will not be accessible unless you already have a structure. So I will quickly make a one structure so that we can see how we can use gusset. So I will click on 3D sketch. I will click on line command. I will draw a line, vertical line like this. And if you are drawing a line and you don't want to continue in that direction, you just double click the left mouse button. This will stop current line, but keep the line command active so that you can start a uh, line anywhere. I will draw another line like this, and now again double click the left mouse button. Now using the middle button of the mouse, I can rotate the sketch. And I again draw a line like this, but the line is not going in the correct direction as I wanted. Look, see, it is going down, and I don't want the line to be go there. So uh, press Tab key on your keyboard, and as you see the line, and just follow the dotted blue line, and draw a line like this. And now press Escape key to out of the line command. Now I will again use my middle button of my cursor, middle button of my mouse, and go to Smart Dimension. Click on this line. I will say 500, and again Escape key to out. Now select this line. Hold down Control key. Select this line. Hold Control key and select this line, and make equal. Now you see our sketch is fully defined. Click OK. Now click on Structural Member. Select ISO, square tube, and size 80 by 80 by 5. Click on this line first, then this line second, and click on New Group, and then select this line and click OK. See, our structural member is completed. Now our Gusset command is also accessible. Now click on Gusset. I will first click on this profile and select this face and this face. Now you see a small Gusset is placed there. We can alter the dimension, like I want this 100 mm and I want this dimension as 100 mm also. Now you see our gusset is placed perfectly in the middle, but we can change the position of gusset also. So I want gusset thickness to be offset by inner side. I will click on this command. I want to be middle. I will click on this command, and I want to offset the thickness to outside. So I will click on this command. But I currently I want to be at the middle. I will click on this. So we can change the location also. If I click on this command, the gusset will be placed at that side. If I click on this, gusset will be placed at this side also. But I want to be middle, then I will choose middle. We can offset the gusset position by clicking this option, and if suppose I say 15 mm, then it will be 15 mm shifted from the middle portion. But I don't want it, I will uncheck the box. I will click OK. Now see, our gusset is properly placed at the middle, and which is strengthen our structure. I will again click on gusset. Now I am selecting this profile and select this face and this face. This gusset is quite different than the previous one in terms of its shape. So it looks like this. So just follow this symbol. The Suppose I change the dimension of the D3, the profile will get changed. If I click on D4, and change the dimension like 30 or let's say 50. Then this dimension is 50 and this dimension is 30 and click OK. Now you see we have created two gussets in SolidWorks which are strengthening our structure. I hope you understand how to use gusset in SolidWorks, and thank you for watching the video.